Yes, hello guys, welcome back. My name is Samir and you do the video on my channel ICRL Lab. And in this video, I'm showing how to deploy your models, how to integrate your models. And you know that in my previous video about the stored mark predictions. Alright, stored mark prediction is done, the coding is and model is done. So I want to deploy the model into complete visualizations like this. Alright, we enter and put in some number and then predict accordingly. Alright, so I'm showing that how we can deploy your model. So let's see going now. Yeah, this is my stored predictions. This is my folder of this project. There is some folders, like one is the static folder. Static folder is contain images and which contains the banner image, that's it, and templates are the index files. One is the app.py files and other one is the Python file and one is the models. And the Excel file is no need, is automatically created on this folder, right, because it's a database file. Let me show you after that. Okay, so we are importing some libraries, import flux, and this is most important for this deploy your model. Alright, and then we are upload the model. So we are using the Joblib because we know that we are using previous video. Joblib is the best and the mostly use of the mostly using the upload and save the models. Alright, df.data frames, app.route, df.domains a room, and return the template index.html, app.route, predict methods and post. Alright, predict is I'm showing in a further where is predicted coming in this place. Alright, and then we are index. We want to go first of all index page, and it's the index called HTML code. Alright, and this is the style, is a button styles. Alright, and then we are showing some image SRS. We want to upload image. My image contain statics images and polished banners. Alright, this image is also uploaded and giving the some borders on this. So that's we are giving the div class is the login, and then we have to center the form. Alright, center the form, we are giving the URL and predict from this. Alright, predict from this, predict and method post. Input align center numbers, name of the hours, place hours, and the place numbers, width of the lines. Alright, it is also showing that simultaneously and showing the buttons, align center buttons and class, something the classes and modify the buttons, and type button submits, and primary is a bootstrap classes also. Okay. After that we have predict the text, and accordingly we are giving the result showing that. Define the predict global df data structure we have defined for this. Input features, int export the x interface from the values in from. We are putting the value in the integer form, not a float. Alright, feature values is np.array. Input features are already valid in the inputs, and between is like giving the output showing some. You enter your max between these. Let me show you. We predict and showing enter valid odds between 1 and 24. Alright, so here is showing that this number, and the limitations render the page to HTML main page. Predictions from the interface where it is showing same number. Output model predict feature values 00 dot roundabout is the true values giving you. Alright, input predict of values scoring, then save in CSV file. Predict contact PDF store rewards study yards. Prediction outputs ignores IDs and something is 2 hours. Very simple is that. And you have to CSV same data is, this is the thing of ruler. I'm saving my data into CSV file. Alright, and it's the name of my file. Okay, so I want to data let it's up to you. You want to change or not. Alright. How to remember that? It's the study hours, input feature and predicted outputs on accordingly. After that, you have written the rendered templates. Rendered templates is in text HTML prediction the text you will get. Did you see that if you enter the valid number, then he will show the result. You will get 66.2% marks when you will study 4 hours per day. Okay, so this text you will show easily in your database, in your mail, in your website. Alright, so this is a video, and I will also upload this code on my repository. My repository name is on me, and you can you can download these files and easily to run your code. Alright, I'm also giving the link from this descriptions, so you are not aware about this. Okay, have a good day. Bye. For more videos, please subscribe my channel ICRL Pythons and support me.